In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox This Experience is unavailable due to your account settings. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So the first thing that you can do is to go ahead and close Roblox on your device. So exit the game completely and then head over into the Roblox website. And then in here, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Now, once you're on the settings page, go ahead and head over into the privacy section and then turn off account restrictions. So you can find that under the parent controls section. So you can go ahead and adjust parent controls. If needed, go to parent controls and set allowed experiences to 13 plus. Now, after that, you need to save the changes, log out and restart your device, and then open Roblox and check if the issue is resolved. And that's basically how you can fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings on Roblox. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.